Hey everyone, it's Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I want to talk about the versatility of locks. And for those of you who have been following me for a long time, you may have noticed that I've slowed down when it comes to showing you new lock styles. And honestly, that's just a reflection of my own personal preference and taste. I am really simple when it comes to my looks. I'm really simple when it comes to my fashion, very simple when it comes to my makeup, very simple when it comes to my hair. So even back in the day when I used to make a whole lot of lock style tutorials, that was more so for you guys. That wasn't really so much for me. Not only was it for you guys, but it was also just because I just want to be regular with content. And sometimes an easy way to come up with content is do a lock style, right? Just try something, recreate a look, But the reality is, if I weren't on social media, I probably wouldn't do much at all to my hair besides wash and retwist and curls. I probably wouldn't do very much else. I do love, however, creating faux short hairstyles. So that's always fun. So by no means am I saying I don't like to style my hair. It is fun to see the transformation, and it is, just kind of just fun to play around with my look. But just in general, I don't need it, right? But I did create this lock style a couple of days ago, and it is a faux. It's not really a bob, is it? It's kind of like I'll just say it's a faux short style, right? My locks are now neck length. Sorry, I'm wearing my robe. It is a little bit annoying putting clothes on over my head. I was wearing a turtleneck earlier today, and I'm like, I'm not putting that turtleneck back on to film. I'm not doing it. So I just put on my robe. So excuse me, but yeah. So these are petals, and with my locks being butt length, I had to do the petal twice. Don't worry about that. I'll film a tutorial. I mean, I've already filmed the tutorial. I'll edit it and post it so you guys can check out that tutorial. It'll be a short. So basically, stay tuned for that. I'm not going to demonstrate now, but yeah, so this is my first time doing petal lock style in a really long time. And the last time I did the petal style, I didn't need to double the petal because my hair wasn't that long. So dope. I really like it. It's really cute. Again, I really like to switch up the illusion of my hair length. So this is gonna be really fun for the next week or so, however long I decide to keep the style in. But I do want to talk about the versatility of locks. Although, if you've been following me for a long time, then I'm sure you already know. But hey, this video might be finding somebody new to locks. So I do want to say that, yeah. You don't have to be boring with your locks. You don't only have to wear them down or in ponytails or in buns. There are so many different lock styles that you can do, so many ways that you can recreate styles that you used to wear on your loose natural hair or on your relaxer or on your units. And so many of those styles you can recreate with your locks and give a similar result, right? I find that it's easier when your locks are medium length, so not too short, not too long. When your locks are about my length, it does get more difficult, as you can imagine, because you're just dealing with so much more hair. And when your locks are really short, then obviously you can't recreate longer styles. So there's that. So a medium bra strap length is like the sweet spot in my opinion when it comes to lock style versatility, but that's my opinion. Also, when it comes to lock sizes, when your locks are a little too thick, it can be a little bit more difficult to have the versatility in styling. However, when your locks are like a traditional size like mine or smaller, they can be a lot more versatile when it comes to styling. So keep that in mind as well if you are starting out your locks and you want to be able to switch it up in a way, right? So yes, I am feeling luxurious with the shortcut. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? It's very voluminous. It's very thick. Listen, when I tell you this is really soft, it's like really fluffy. I fell asleep on my laptop yesterday and did not know it. What? My laptop was resting on my pillow and I must have gotten into my bed in the dark. This was actually during a nap in the day, like early evening nap actually. Had a long morning, but I had my laptop on my pillow and I woke up and I like moved and I was like, wait, what's that? And I got up and I saw that my head was on my laptop and I didn't feel it. I didn't feel my head on a laptop. That's how you know my hair was super fluffy. Also, like the pillow, I was still on a pillow. So basically my laptop was sandwiched in between the pillow and my fluffy hair. So yeah. Don't judge, because I know sometimes you sit on the remote and you don't feel the remote. Don't. Happens to the best of us, okay? So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk to you about. I do want to remind you that More Than a Hair Journey 2, the 15th Loc Anniversary Edition, is available on YouTube. Not YouTube. It's available on Amazon. And I want to give you guys a sneak peek of one of my photos from the gallery. Which one do I want to choose? I'll choose these. These are from my Diana Ross tribute photo shoots. So these are based on some Diana Ross photos that I found. And I tried to recreate her look. And as you can see in this photo, I actually have like a petal-like style to create the collarbone length locks. So yeah, that's actually a perfect coincidence. Didn't plan that. So this must have been my last petal style. What year was this? This is probably like 2018 maybe. Yeah. Oh, and my hair is braided. I mean, it was like a braid out, or maybe this was old curls. I think this was probably old curls, and that's probably how I achieved this style. But love it. And this is another Diana Ross photo. Yeah, see, this is actually the same day, so most likely it was a curl, an old curl, because this looks like curls, right? This doesn't look like a braid situation. So there's there is a little gallery in the book, but it's mostly it's like the first part is memoirs and me responding to my younger thoughts with my current day thoughts, and then the latter half of the book is basically lock maintenance tips, tricks, and advice. So definitely grab this on Amazon.com. And if you're tuning in November 2025, right now all of our products are currently buy one get one free. When I say all of our products, I really mean our main products. So that goes for the horsetail leaf growth oil, the emu oil growth drops, the rose water moisturizer, the rose water moisturizer refill, and our lock cologne. Those 5 products are all buy one get one free. So make sure you add whatever products you want to your cart, and that can be one horsetail, get an emu free. That can be a rose water moisturizer, get a emu free, or a horsetail leaf growth oil, get a rose water free. So even if you don't want 2 of the same product, you can mix and match, and the one that is either a little cheaper, that'll be free, or if they're the same price, then just doesn't matter which one of them will be free, right? So definitely use the code BF25 at checkout. And I think I've been able to do this video with no cuts. Shout outs to my coffee. Yes, but make sure you grab your rose water moisturizer, especially because I highly believe that this will be sold out before the end of the month. So I allotted a certain amount to be buy one get one free, and I think that this one, as well as the refill, they're probably going to be out of stock a lot quicker than the month. So definitely grab yours now while you can. And our trusty horsetail leaf growth oil, we have plenty. And even if we sell out, this will likely be able to be re-upped because I am infusing a lot of oil right now as we speak. So you'll be good on the horsetail leaf growth oil and the emu oil growth drops as well. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any video requests. Oh, I didn't show you guys the back. And just so you know, it's not tight. It's very comfortable. There's no pins involved. It's all rubber bands. And I made sure to not rubber band it too close to my scalp so that I can have some freedom and comfort, because I am tender-headed. And y'all know I'm not playing around with some styles that's going to hurt my head. Not me. Yes, so definitely leave me a comment below and let me know if you have any video recommendations, or requests I should say, any topic recommendations. And they don't have to be on the nose lock maintenance related, but I do want to start making other content that's not necessarily how to lock tutorials or lock advice, but I kind of want to talk about the lock space or natural hair space and things that are not like directly related, because I still want to make content that's relevant to my channel, but I also want to branch out a bit, you know. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. Oh, also I do want to start making like reactions to different topics and different videos that people have made on certain topics. So if you have any video recommendations regarding reactions to people's videos, if they're in the public domain, then definitely email them to me, please. I really appreciate that. Or you can DM me, but I would prefer that rather than leaving a comment down below when it comes to that. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and Amazon.com. Now, love, light, and locks.